Welcome to this journey of discovery and creativity. I'm thrilled to have you here. Together, we'll explore ideas, sharpen skills, and uncover the tools you need to innovate and make an impact. Remember, every big step starts with a single idea, and that idea could be yours. Let's get started.
Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here because today's story is one you won't want to miss. It's full of inspiration, creativity, and a few surprises along the way. So, grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Enjoy the story.
I'll call this story Bridging the Gap. The digital classroom of Invention School was alive with chatter as the 12 apprentices logged into their video conference. On the screen, Kim's face appeared in one corner, her background a wall covered with engineering sketches. Beside her, Kate adjusted her headset while monitoring a shared virtual whiteboard. "Good day, everyone," Kim said, her tone upbeat. "Today's challenge is close to my heart." The village of Sankofa, near the lake, faces severe flooding every rainy season. Roads become impassable, cutting the villagers off from schools, markets, and medical care. Your task is to design a practical, innovative solution. Remember, collaboration and creativity are key. The spark of curiosity. As Kim finished outlining the problem, the apprentices began filling the virtual whiteboard with questions and ideas. Kofi from Ghana scribbled, "What causes the flooding?" while Nonkululeko of South Africa added, "Can we use the excess water for something beneficial?" Great questions. Kate interjected, her virtual cursor highlighting their notes. Flooding in Sankofa is due to poor drainage and its low-lying location. But what if we turn that challenge into an opportunity? Adiso of Ethiopia leaned forward into his camera. "We could channel the water into storage tanks or irrigation systems. AI could help us predict and manage the flow." Across the screen, Lily from Nigeria nodded. "I've used AI-powered farming apps before. We can analyze rainfall data and build a dynamic system that adapts to changes." Learning through failure. The apprentices worked on a shared CAD simulation, their first prototype, a system of canals, failing dramatically in the test environment. Water overflowed the banks, causing chaos in the simulation. "It's okay, team," Kate said with a reassuring smile. "Failure is just a teacher. Let's break this down." What went wrong? "The canals weren't wide or strong enough to handle the water volume," said Malcolm from Harlem, updating the virtual model. Brianna of London added, "We also need a mechanism to slow down the flow during peak rainfall." With resilient stories like Sir James Dyson's 5,000 prototypes in mind, the group revised their design. This time, they added adjustable floodgates and reinforced the canal walls. Collaborative breakthrough. The next day, Poto of Kenya shared an exciting idea during the video meeting. "What if we attach a turbine to the floodgate? We could generate electricity while managing the water." "That's brilliant," exclaimed Tybon of New Orleans. "Let's integrate that into the design." Guided by Kim and Kate, the apprentices ran simulations using AI-powered tools. They adjusted the floodgate system to channel water to irrigation fields while generating electricity for the village. Each apprentice contributed, with Ramona of Brazil optimizing the turbine design and Charles of Jamaica ensuring the system was cost-effective. The impact. After weeks of remote collaboration, the apprentices presented their final design during a live-streamed community event. Kim shared a 3D model of the floodgate system, explaining how it would work. "As you can see," Kate said, switching to a simulation video, "the floodgates will redirect water during heavy rains, protecting homes while also irrigating fields and powering the village." The Sankofa villagers, watching from a local community center, erupted in applause as the demonstration concluded. Growth and reflection. In a reflective group video call, Kim asked the apprentices, "What did you take away from this experience?" "That failure is part of the journey," said Ramona. "It helped us think differently. And that innovation is a team effort," added Charles. Kate smiled. "Exactly. You've shown how curiosity and resilience can transform challenges into opportunities." And your work proves that distance doesn't limit collaboration or creativity.
Hello, innovators. I'm Professor Singer, your guide on this exciting journey of discovery and creativity. Together, we'll now explore more topics on how to think differently, solve challenges, and turn ideas into impactful solutions. Let's now deep dive into the heart of innovation. Hello, innovators of the future. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of creativity and innovation. I'm Professor Singer, and I'm here to show you how cultivating the right mindset can empower you to turn challenges into opportunities. Let me start with a question. What stops most people from innovating? Some might say lack of ideas or resources, but often it's a rigid mindset that clings to the familiar. So let's explore how to break free from those limits and embrace the mindset of an innovator. Our brains love shortcuts, what psychologists call our mindsets. While helpful for routine tasks, these can trap us into repetitive thinking. Did you know that rigid mindsets can block insight? Insight, the aha moment, often requires stepping away from familiar solutions. The concept of e-displacements that Archimedes discovered while bathing wasn't a result of hard calculation, but of playful curiosity. By stepping back and letting his mind wander, he connected seemingly unrelated ideas to solve a problem. Here's a reflection point. What mental ruts might be holding you back? How can you challenge them? Jerry Sternen's work in Vietnam provides an inspiring example. Tasked with reducing malnutrition, he focused not on what was missing, but on what worked. By identifying small, successful practices already in use, innovation thrives when you reframe problems. In the Sankofa story, flooding wasn't just a problem. It became a resource. The apprentices used water management to power their community. Here's my challenge to you. Find a problem in your community and think about how it might be an opportunity. Creativity isn't just about wild ideas. It's about structured exploration. Tools like Scamper encourage us to substitute, combine, adapt, or modify existing concepts. For example, Art Fry, the inventor of Post-it notes, combined adhesive and paper to meet his need for a reusable bookmark. Another technique is drawing from diverse fields. Gutenberg's printing press, inspired by a wine press he saw at a festival. Remember, structured creativity turns crazy ideas into practical solutions. So grab a notebook and try Scamper on an everyday object. You might be surprised by what you come up with. Great innovations rarely happen in isolation. A diverse team brings varied perspectives, which can spark powerful synergies. In the Sankofa project, each apprentice contributed unique insights, whether it was Pato's turbine idea or Ramona's design expertise. Similarly, a study in the Encyclopedia of Creativity highlights how collaborative cognition can amplify innovation. Teams that blend openness with structured methods often outperform solo efforts. Reflection point. How can you collaborate with others to build something greater than you could alone? Let's talk about failure, our favorite uninvited guest. Failure isn't the end. It's a teacher. James Dyson's 5,000 prototypes didn't deter him. They taught him. Similarly, Sankofa's first canal system failed dramatically, but that setback led to stronger floodgates. Here's a mindset shift. Treat each failure as a learning step. Write this down. What did I learn? How can I improve? This exercise turns frustration into fuel for success. In today's world, technology is an innovator's best friend. AI, for instance, can analyze vast data, identify patterns, and even suggest solutions. Farmers in Kenya use AI to predict weather and improve harvests. But tools are only as good as the hands that wield them. Be curious about new technologies, test them, adapt them, and make them your own. Remember, innovation isn't about having the latest gadget. It's about using what you have to make a difference. Innovation isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's for anyone with curiosity, resilience, and the courage to collaborate. Whether you're analyzing flood patterns, redesigning a classroom tool, or brainstorming solutions for your community, remember? Every small step builds the path to greatness. So what's your next step? The world is waiting for your ideas. Go out there, innovate boldly, and make a difference. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep doing.